Hi there, Chris here. So let's just say I don't have any patience. um, Stay tuned next week for a mega deal package opening. And we'll just call this kind of a preview. Because I'm supposed to show all the locks at once, but I can't wait. I have no patience. So what this is an Evers. Not sure, it looks like a hammer there. Hammer and a bent something. And it has a 3 under there. So it's 3 levers, it's an Evers, and whoever was stamping that day was coming off a really bad hangover. So, unless it's my eyes, no, because the rest is clear. Anyway, this is a gorgeous, gorgeous old lock. It's the original key. It has a 180 stamped on it. Nothing on the back. That's the bidding. And I don't believe there's any marks on the back of this either. So, it's kind of a small opening. So what do? If you don't have a tensioner that fits in this, because I have a couple here. We're going to try the little one. This is the UK Lockpicker Tools tensioner, and it doesn't grab it. It's not tall enough. So that doesn't work. If you can't tension, you can't pick. And the bigger one, no slinky. The bigger one doesn't fit. So what do? Well, and you don't want to ruin this key, and you don't have another key that would be good. Oops. Well, what I do, so get this out of the way. I'll zoom in, and we'll see if we can do this. So we're all locked up. Did I show it working? It works smooth as butter. All right, I gotta let the cat out. Sorry. Thank you. A pain in the ass, but I love you. Okay, coming back. Whoa, earthquake. There's that alligator going after Donna. So what you do is you find some of your tension wires, and you find one that looks good for tensioning, and this one looks good. It's just a homemade wire, and this is another homemade one. So I'm going to use this to tension, and this one hopefully to pick it. So you go in and you find your bolt. I think we found our bolt. Whoops. You go in and you find your bolt. And sometimes you can feel it give a little bit. You might have to hunt for it. And then I wrap my fingers around here so I can guide the pick one. So I put my picker one in. I'll try and tilt this. And you just try and land on those levers. It's fiddly, but hey, if it was easy, anyone could do it. Oops, now what's happening? Operator difficulty here. Okay, I'm on a lever. That's the second one, and that feels like the third one. Usually I do this holding it close to my chest, so like I say, it's a bit fiddly, especially if you're at a funny angle that you're not used to, but that's how it goes. If you're going to be able to see this, I got to do it this way. And when you get all the levers the right height, you get it open. Okay, I had a little bit of turn there. Okay, I did have a turn, so what we're going to do is we're going to reach in and make sure, let's use a smaller one, make sure the bolt is thrown all the way. There you go. So, pardon me. So, like I say, it's a little fiddly, but you can open your locks with nothing but a couple of pick wires. Anyway, this is the Evers 3-lever vintage, awesome padlock with the, of course, very rare double stamp. Anybody can read that. I'm going to give it a good shot. Anybody can read that. Tell me what that is. I can't. Is that a duck? Something and something, something, something. And I'm not sure what that is. Looks like an arm with a hammer on it, except the hammer point seems to be going the wrong way. All right. Anyway, stay tuned for mega deal package opening coming sometime next week. All right, we'll see you next time.